Let's break down the concepts of system calls and ARPAs in simple terms. System calls. System calls are functions provided by the operating system that allow applications to request services or perform privileged operations. They act as a bridge between user-level applications and the underlying operating system kernel. When an application needs to interact with the operating system to perform tasks like reading or writing files, creating processes, or accessing hardware devices, it makes a system call. Think of system calls as a way for applications to make specific requests to the operating system, similar to asking for assistance from a service provider. The operating system receives the system call, processes the request, and provides the requested service. System calls are typically provided as a set of functions or instructions that applications can use. ARPAs, Application Programming Interfaces. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules and protocols that defines how software components should interact with each other. It serves as a contract or interface between different software systems or layers. ARPAs define the methods, data structures, and conventions that applications can use to communicate and interact with other software components. In the context of operating systems, ARPAs often include a collection of functions or libraries that developers can use to access the functionality provided by the operating system. These ARPAs abstract the complexity of system calls and provide a more user-friendly interface for developers. ARPAs wrap the underlying system calls, providing a higher-level interface that is easier to work with. Think of ARPAs as a set of predefined functions or tools that developers can use to interact with the operating system or other software components. They provide a simplified and consistent way for developers to utilize various functionalities without having to understand the low-level details of system calls. In summary, system calls are the specific requests made by applications to the operating system for services or operations, while ARPAs provide a higher-level interface or set of functions that developers can use to interact with the operating system or other software components. System calls are the mechanisms through which applications access operating system services, while ARPAs provide a more user-friendly and abstracted way to utilize those services. Thank you. That's all for this video. We will see you in the next one.